Hi, Jason Goodall, GQueBBQ. We love bacon jam and we love wings. Today we're going to find out if we love bacon jam wings. It's coming up right now. Let's get our chimney full of charcoal going. I'm going to put down a base layer and I'm going to place the fire starter right in the middle so it gets the chimney going fast. If the fire starter were over here in the corner, the chimney would light much slower than if it was in the middle. As you know, I put GQueBBQ rub on everything. Bacon is one of my favorite things to put the rub on. The saltiness of the bacon really complements that sweet, balanced flavor of the GQueBBQ the rub. If you haven't tried it on bacon, what are you waiting for? There'll be a link in the description if you want to give it a try. We're setting the PK grill up for 2-zone cooking. We've got all of our coals over to one side, and then we're going to set this valve open, and this valve open, this valve closed, and this valve closed so that the airflow goes up, over the wings, and out the top. To get maximum flavor out of that bacon, I'm going to season up the backside with GQueBBQ the rub. Wings from my favorite place. Oh man, they gave me raw wings. We're going to coat these wings with a light coat of GQueBBQ the rub. The second most prevalent ingredient in the rub is salt, and the bacon jam's already going to have a lot of salt in it, so we want to make sure we don't make these wings too salty by over seasoning them. That's what I'm looking for, a nice light coat. The bacon's been cooling off on this baker's wrap. It's important to put it on something like this so that it firms up. By keeping it on this rack, it allows air to circulate and gives you a good crispy piece of bacon. You may be wondering, Jason, why did you cook bacon if you already got a lot of bacon in that bacon jam? And this bacon is going to have a different texture than that bacon that's in the jam. The bacon that's in the jam, because of the long cooking process, is very soft, it's very tender. This bacon is going to be very crispy, so it's going to provide a nice contrast in texture when you bite into that chicken wing. To give the wing some color, I'm chopping up some curly parsley. Got the wings on the grill. You'll notice I put the thick end of the wing closest to the fire. Just like with the bacon, we always want the thickest part of the meat closest to the direct heat. Chicken wings are looking nice. One of the things that I love about the PK grill, and there's a lot, is you would think it would be much more uneven how these cook, but because of the way the airflow and the way the PK grill is designed, you get pretty even cooking. Hitting 131 right here in the back row. We're hitting 118. So we're about 12 degrees off. So I'm going to let these front ones come up another 5 degrees. I'm going to sear them off so we get that good crispy skin. As I'm searing these off, these ones will come up to 135 and everybody's going to get pulled off at about 165. So these wings have reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. We hit them over that hot heat. That's really going to crisp up the skin so we get a good juicy wing and crispy skin. That char that's getting created on this crispy chicken skin is going to give us that unique grill flavor that we all seek and love from grilled chicken wings. Chicken wings are done and looking good. We've got our bourbon bacon jam. If heaven and pigs ever collided, this is what it would look like. I added a little bit of bourbon to it. That gives it a unique flavor from one of my favorite food groups. If you want the recipe for this, I'll put a link to the video down below. I'm so curious to see how these bacon jam wings taste. Mr. 4BL, thank you for the suggestion. Folks, if there's an interesting chicken wing that you want to see me make, let me know down in the comments. Enough of you thumb it up and like it. If it sounds interesting to me, I'll make it in a video and I'll send you out some rub and sauce. Let's garnish up these bacon jam wings. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. A big old honking drummy. I'm a big fan of bacon jam, and you know I'm a big fan of wings. However, I prefer that bacon jam on the smash burger more so than I do on the wing. That doesn't mean you won't like it better on the wing than a smash burger, but I love bacon and beef. If you enjoyed watching me make those wings and you want to see me make other wings, hit that chicken wing playlist down below. Jason Canal, GQueBBQ, and I'll see you on the next one.